See, this is a simple website. Now normally we open here. Okay, you can just enter into the paid member section from this side also, like at the toppermost right hand side. Okay, and you can go through in this by the like post jobs. You are having the option here by paid member. You will enter this also, then you will get on this page. So from both side you can go there. By paid member login page, you need to click on like sign up option. On sign up option you will click, you will be getting all these details of the page which you need to fill like this. Okay, these all details you need to fill. See, we start from here. You need to enter your name, email ID, then click on this button. You need to click on this button, send OTP. Then OTP will be coming on your email ID, whatever you have entered here. Then you need to copy the OTP. Then you need to enter OTP here and then click on verify OTP. This is the button here only. You need to click on this verify OTP option. Then it will be showing here your email is verified. Yes, but so many members they were not just clicking on this verify OTP button. Okay, then click on the DOB. How will you select the DOB like this? Yesterday some people they were having the problem like my date of birth is 1973. So I will like I open this only normally, then click on this. Okay, you need to navigate up and down. If you will do down, then you will be going in increment years and down, then you will be going through the past years like this. Okay, now I'm entering here. (1950) July 14. I enter here 14 July 1950. Then enter here contact number, then alternate mobile number. Then you need to select here city. Suppose I select here Uttar Pradesh. Okay. Then you will be getting here cities, corresponding cities. I fill here Balia. Okay. Then in your personal professional details you need to apply. You are applying for which post? Suppose I am applying for director. If what is my current designation? Suppose my current designation is principal. Okay. Then you need to enter your current school, in which school you are just working right now. Your last drawn salary, what salary you are drawing, your expected salary, whatever you can just fill here any amount of figure here. Okay. Then experience in year. How many year of experience you are having, you can select from here. Then plan duration, you have opted 6-month plan or 1-year plan, you need to fill it here. Then date of subscription, if I fill it here like 1-year plan, then automatically you will be showing here 11 April 2026. So you need to just choose your date. If you have taken a subscription earlier also, then you need to fill in the same manner. Like you just took the subscription 2025 in which month? Jan. Which date you can select here. Okay, so it is already showing is 17 Jan 2025. Then it will be reflecting here 17 Jan 2026. This is your ending subscription end date. Then here you need to upload your photo. Okay, you need to upload payment screenshot, whatever the receipt you have done, will be having payment receipt. Then you need to upload your resume also here. Then you need to click here I agree to the terms and condition. Then I will click here and then I will submit it here. Okay, then request will come to us. So this is the simple process which you need to follow. Okay, might be possible sometimes few errors will be coming just because of some technical issues or network problem, just network fluctuations also. Nowadays our mobile network also fluctuating every time. Okay, the call is also going to disconnect anytime, so it may happen. So don't need to just get frustrated, don't need to get nervous. Okay, God is always with us. I know just you all people are the very good educators and the leaders. and the IT Maestro also you are having. You can do that. Okay, you try it and just finish it as soon as possible, and just we are waiting for you. Okay, if you find still any problem, then we both are with you. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.